Welcome to the second part of the video. In the previous part of the video, we saw how to set up the initial processes, which entailed your website setup and setting up your storage units. So in this second part of the video, we're going to be walking you through how to set up a couple of important things concerning your account. So the first option we currently have here is going to be to edit your website. So once you're done with that first phase, you're going to be presented with this other page that we have here. And right down here, you can see this bubble that is right here that actually just gives you a checklist of what you need to go through to be able to complete your setup. Okay, so today and on this video, we're going to be walking you through how to edit your website. So to edit your website, what you have to do is you have to come right over here and then click on edit website here. Once you click on that, it's going to take you over to this page that you have right here, right? So this is a page that's going to have different section of your websites that you can automatically edit. So remember the first part where we actually put your business name and about your business. So in the background, we had your business information generated on your website automatically for you, right? So you can come over here and then edit a couple of things. So your office hours are here. You can edit that. So right over here, I do have Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Right? So this is actually how it's going to look like on your website right here. So you can edit all of this information here. You can change your website primary color. You can change your website secondary color. You can change your facility logo. All of that right over here. Okay. So you can also have the second page, which is down here. Is going to be the navigation bar. So you can have the navigation bar, which is going to be right over here. Right. So you can decide to change this information depending on what you want and how that looks like. And for a reference image, you can just check right over here, okay? Above here, you can see how that actually reflects or is displayed directly on your website. So you know exactly what you want to change and what you want to add or what you want to delete, okay? So, and by the side here, you're going to have this information that actually is going to show you what the description about what actually is this field all about, right? And we can have all these other pages. We have the third one here, which is the hero section, right? So this is just an image of how that's actually going to be shown, the same thing. So you can add a hero badge, things like that. You can change the hero headline, but we already have all of that generated for you based on the description that you actually did provide to us in the beginning, right? So we also have the stars bar that is right down here. You can put 16, 15 plus. These are the preview of how that looks like. So yes, in business, happy tenant served. So you can have all of those details right over here that you can easily change them, right? So you have the unit sizes, the header and stuff. You can change all of this information right over in this section that we have here, right? So these are other section that we have here, the white user section, the reserve form section that is right here, what you want to include in this section. You can edit all of that from here. And we also have the review section. We have the promo banner that we have right here, which is going to be this big thing that you're going to see inside of your website. And then you're also going to have the locations / find us. You can put in your information here, different address right over here, your email, everything, different dates and stuff like that. And then you have your frequently asked questions section that you can also update right over here. Very important as well. And then you also have the last section, which is the 12th section, is the footer section. Okay, so you can edit these depending on how your business looks like or depending on the specific information you want that to be seen exactly there. So when you're done, just come right down here and then you're just going to click on save. So thank you so much for watching this video. In the next section, we're going to be walking you through the next phase for setting this up. So once you're done with this first section, what you're going to do is you're just going to come right over here and just tick this as completed.